Students, first information for you is that this is the important information. Tomorrow, your school is going to be open, and there will be offline class. You have to come tomorrow. You have to come, and by you have to obey your
हेलो, अपने आप को अनम्यूट कीजिए सर। कृष्ण सर, अपने आप को
now it's okay, sir. Okay, अब okay है, sir. Okay, okay. So students, tomorrow your school is going to open. So tomorrow class will be offline class, and you have to come. Now, as you know that we are discussing our data handling exercise number 16.4, in which we are discussing the probability. And today we will discuss the fifth question related to this probability.
Sir, excuse me, sir.
Question, yes.
Excuse me, sir. जो 15 चैप्टर है वो सर अभी करना है.
So students, we will do the next question, fifth question from exercise 16.4. A box contains 3 defective mango and 21 good mango. There is a box in which 3 mango, there are 3 defective mangoes.
कृष्ण सर, अनम्यूट कीजिए अपने आप को।
Okay, sir.
Okay.
There are 3 defective mango. We are doing fifth question of exercise 16.4, chapter data handling, and our topic is probability. So fifth question from this exercise is, in the fifth question, statement is the box contains 3 defective mangoes and 21 good mangoes. Total mango is 24. One of the mango is drawn from random, from the box at random. Find the probability of getting a defective mango. You have to find the probability of getting defective mango. The formula related to probability was that last lecture we have done it. Probability is equal to probability of any event is divided by total number of outcomes. Total number of outcomes. So from the fifth question, fifth part, it is you have to find the probability of getting defective mango. You have to find the probability. P means probability of getting defective mango. Now in this question, you have to get one mango and that should be defective. It means that in your favor there are in the box there are 3 defective mango and you have to select one mango from this box. It means there are 3 favorable outcome. मीन्स आप 3 ही डिफेक्टिव मैंगो में से कोई भी एक मैंगो फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. सो फेवरेबल आउटकम्स आर 3 and total number of outcomes, since total mango in this box are 24, so total number of outcomes will be 24. Now you have to reduce this term. It means that this will be the probability of getting defective mango. Are you getting this point? Now in the second part, you have to find the probability. You have to find the probability of getting a good mango. You have to find the probability of getting a good mango. There are total 21 good mango in the box. This was your box in which 3 defective and 21 good mangoes are there. Total 24 mangoes are there, and we have to find the probability of getting a good mango. There are total 21 good mango, so in your favor, favorable outcomes will be 21 and total number of outcomes will be 24. Now you have to reduce this term, and you will get your answer by cutting this value. 3 7 ja 3 8 7 by 8. So as you know that probability is a reduced value, and answer of this probability is less than 1, and answer of this probability is also less than 1. As you know that the total probability of any event is always less than or equal to 1. In the last lecture we have already discussed that point. So this was your 5th question. In case of probability, it is very important to verify that what is a favorable outcome and what is the total number of outcomes. Favorable outcome are those outcomes from which your statement is given, that is in first part, getting a defective mango. You have to find the probability of getting a defective mango. It means that in a defective mango there will be a favorable cases. So there are 3 defective mango, so there will be 3 favorable outcomes. So in the second case, we have to find the probability of getting a good mango, and there are 21 good mango, so total probability will become 21 by 24. That is your 5th question. Now we will study 6th question. A card is drawn from a well subbed pack of 52 cards. Okay, students. प्रोबेबिलिटी के लिए फॉर्मूला हमें सब में सेम ही रहना है. A card is drawn from a well subbed pack of 52 playing card. Find the probability of getting a red card. You know that there are 52 cards in a playing card. आपको playing cards आपने देखे होंगे. Total playing cards are 52. I am writing here some information. Total playing cards are 52, and there are 4 type of cards. Cards are 13 plus 13, 26. So, and there are 4 king. Number of king in the card, number of king are 4. Card अब मैंने लिखा रेड कार्ड, अब इसमें ब्लैक कार्ड 13 plus 13 रेड्स होंगे. रेड में भी कुछ आपको डायमंड्स के कार्ड होंगे. तो दो तरह के रेड कार्ड होते हैं, दो तरह के ब्लैक कार्ड होते हैं। अगर इनमें भी 13 लिखा हो तो 13 आपके स्प्रेड्स के होंगे। ओके, so this is the information from your playing card. Now from the first part you have to find the probability of getting a red card. Probability of getting red card. So there are total 52 cards and you have to find a red card, and you know that there are total 26 red cards. So in your favor you can find out one card from your 26 cards. क्योंकि आपके फेवर में 26 कार्ड्स हुए, टोटल रेड कार्ड आपके 26 हैं और 26 रेड कार्ड्स की प्रोबेबिलिटी आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है। तो आपके फेवर में 26 आउटकम्स हैं। So total number of outcomes are 52 because total number of playing card are 52. So from this you will get 1 by 2. So probability of getting a red card is 1 by 2. Now in the second part you have to find the probability of getting a king. You have to find out a king, and there are total 4 king. There are 4 king. So in your favor there are 4 favorable outcome and total number of outcome are 52. And after cutting you will get 1 by 13. So probability of getting a king is 1 by 13. Now in the third part, a card of spread. I'm writing here. I hope you are getting this point. Now third part, a card is a spread. In the third part you have to find the probability a card is spread, and there are total 13 spread card. So favorable outcome will be 13 and total number of outcome are 52 because total cards are 52. So this will become 13 for the 1 by 4. So probability of getting a card is spread is 1 by 2, and probability of getting a red card is 1 by 2, and probability of getting a king is 1 by 13. This is your question, and you are observing that all these probabilities are less than 1 because हम आपको मैंने एक information ये दी है. I am writing here probability of any event P is always less than or equal to 1. या तो 1 रहेगी या 1 से छोटी रहेगी, 1 से बड़ी कभी प्रोबेबिलिटी नहीं हो सकती, एंड ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 0. प्रोबेबिलिटी 0 हो सकती है when will the probability of any event will be 0 in case of impossible event. If any event is impossible, so in that case probability will be 0. So this was your exercise 16.4 and this has been complete, and you have to complete this exercise in your fair notebook. So these are the simple approach. From 16.3 there was one question that was remaining. I think that was 7th question from exercise 16.3. So we will discuss that question. The solid shape and practical geometry. There are only 2 chapters. Other syllabus has been complete. And now 6th question from exercise sixth and seventh question. We will do, first of all, we will do sixth question from exercise 16.3. आपको पीडीएफ इसका भेज दिया था मैंने, उससे रिलेटेड अगर आपको इसमें हो सकता है कुछ बच्चों को डाउट्स हो, so I am repeating this question again. In the sixth question of exercise 16.3, first of all we will do sixth question and then we will discuss seventh question again. A data is given, run score in a cricket match of 11 players are given by your data. Find the mean, median and mode of your data. Are these values same? तो सारी की सारी वैल्यू सेम आएगी, मींस मीन मीडियन मोड की वैल्यू सेम आएगी. यू हैव टू गिव योर आंसर्स. सो while doing this type of question and data is written in this way, data is written 615 120 50 15 8 10 and 15. So first of all you have to arrange this data in your ascending order. So this is the first part and first concept, first step that you have to done in this type of question. Arranging data in ascending order. You have to arrange this data in ascending order. So smallest value of this data is 6, after 8 and then 10. So next value will also 10, then after 15 and 15, because 15 is repeating 3 times in this question. Now the next observation will be 50, then 80 and 100, and last observation will be 120. And as you are observing that there are total 11 observation, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So number of observation, value of n is 11, and now you it's important to observe whether it is an even and odd. This is odd observation. So because in case of while you are calculating the median, it is important to observe whether it is median even value or odd value. So while calculating the mean, when you calculate the mean, as you know that mean is sum of all observation divided by number of observation, and sum of all observation will be this 15 15. You have to sum of all these observation, all 11 observation, and now you have to divide this by 11, total number of observation. After adding this value you will get 29 by 11 and this will become 39. So mean of your data become 39. You have to find the median. You find out the median here in this box. Median of data. What will be the median? If value of n is odd, what will be the median? Median will be n plus 1 by observation. And value of n is 11 plus 2, 2th observation, 12, and this will become 6th observation. Now in your data which you have written in your ascending order, you have what is a 6th observation. First, in third, fourth, fifth, sixth observation is 15. 6th observation 15. So this will become 15. Median will be 15. Now you have to find out the mode. What will be the mode? Well, you calculate the mode, and what is the method to find out the mode? if you are getting a mode from your data, first of all you have to arrange this data in ascending order, and this is the arrangement. Now the value which are repeating maximum time will be the mode, and 15 is repeating 3 times, this will become mode. So 15 will be mode. So from this data, from this your question, mean is 39, median is 15, and mode is 15. All three values are not same, but median and mode are same. Are you getting this point? Now, one question, last question from this exercise, 16.3, seventh question. We have to find out the mode of the data. The seventh question we will do with a in the seventh question we will do with tally marks and frequencies, with the help of frequencies and tally marks. So there are some number in this data which are repeating so many times. Statement I am not writing here. Statement is written in your book. You are observing that from your book 12, first observation is 12, then 14, and then 12, means 12 is repeating so many times. In the same way 14 is repeating many times, and value 16 is repeating many times. It means that if any value in your data repeat many times, that will become frequency of that option. So I am writing here some numbers. These are the numbers. I think the smallest number in this data is 12. Then next number is 13. Then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. These are the numbers. And now you have to observe which number is repeating how many times. That will become frequency of that data. So इस क्वेश्चन की हेल्प से हम अपना एक ग्रुप डाटा वाला कॉन्सेप्ट भी हमारा रिवाइज हो जाएगा. Now frequency, you have to write the frequency. You have to observe this frequency from your statement. How many times 12 is repeating? You have to count this. 12 is repeating 3 times. So frequency of 12 is 3. And 13 is repeating how many times? By observing your statement, you will observe that 13s are repeating 4 times. And 14 is repeating 5 times. And 15, the number 15 is repeating how many times? You have to count this 15 in your statement. 15 is repeating 10 times. Number 15 will become 10, and 16 is repeating 6 times, and 17 is repeating 2 times, and 18 is repeating 1 time, and 19 is also 1 time. These are the frequency of your numbers. And if you want to अब आपको वैसे तो टैली मार्क्स लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप चाहो तो टैली मार्क्स mode for your data will become 15, because 15 10 times maximum number of times, and frequency of 15 is 10. That is the highest frequency in your question. So this will become mode of your data. And what is the way to mark the tally? Frequency of number 12 is 3. pentagonal. And 10, tally mark of the 10 is 5, 5. For the 6 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. For the 2, 1, 2. For the 1, this is 1 and 1. This is your tally mark for your 7th question. So I hope you are understanding these type of questions and you are completing in your notebook. So this was your today. Your homework is that you have to complete your 16th chapter in your fair notebook. Some of question you have already done, and remaining question that I have discussed today you will do in your fair notebook. So now this chapter has been completing related to a data handling. You have to revise your examples and exercise question all over the complete chapter. Information. 2 chapters are remaining. Visualizing the solid shape. For this term, visualizing the solid shape and practical geometry. So for the practical geometry, you have to prepare for your compass, protractor, pencil, etc. complete geometry box. With the help of that geometry box, we will complete our practical geometry. And in case of visualizing the solid shape, that is your 15th chapter, you have to simply visualizing the solid shape. Today, we will, in the remaining time of this meeting, we will discuss visualizing solid shapes, some basic concept related to visualizing the solid shapes. Now your 15th chapter, we are starting visualizing solid shape. Solid shape. As you know that there are some solid shape, and I will tell you what are the solid shape. आपके पास आपके सामने एक बुक रखी हुई है. बुक की शेप जो रखी हुई है वो आपकी एक क्यूबॉइडिकल शेप है. दैट इज ए क्यूबॉइडिकल शेप. एक सॉलिड शेप का आपके सामने एग्जांपल है. इफ दिस इज योर बुक, इन दिस बुक दिस इज द सॉलिड शेप ऑफ क्यूबॉइड, और इसकी फिगर इस तरह की बन रही है. दैट इज क्यूबॉइड. इन केस ऑफ क्यूबॉइड देयर इज अ लेंथ, this is the height, and this is the breadth of cuboid. As you are observing, this will become length of your cuboid, this is the breadth of your cuboid, and height of cuboid is this. So first important shape that you are observing is the cuboid, and this is the example as from your cuboidal shape. As you know that the face of cuboid is, this is the face of cuboid. There are 6 faces. फर्स्ट फेस, एंड अगर आप इसको रिटर्न करते हैं, दिस वाज योर सेकंड फेस, थर्ड फेस एज यू आर ऑब्जर्विंग दिस, एंड दिस इज योर फोर्थ फेस, फिफ्थ फेस इज दिस, एंड सिक्स्थ इज दिस. There are total 6 faces in your cuboidal shape, and there are edges, and you will count your edges and vertex. I'm telling you, this is your vertex. In case of cuboid, this is your vertex, corner point. This is your vertex. This one is also your vertex. This one is your vertex, and this one is your vertex. From this face, you are observing total 4 vertex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. So, as you are observing from your book, these are the vertex. These are the vertex. The front face that you are looking is called, this is called face of your cuboid shape. And edges are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So these are the called edges, as we have darkened here. This is called edges. This is called edge of your cuboid face. And as you are observing this point and this point, this point, this point, and I am darkening here with a dark circle, this is called vertex. This is called, या simply अगर आप इसको plural लिखते हैं तो that will be the vertices, and there are total 8 vertices. Number of vertices are 8. If you will count edges, edge will be, total number of edges will be 12, and if you count the faces, and face will be, there are total 6 faces of your cuboidal face. You can count this edges and this vertex, vertices, faces by taking your example of your book. Now next part from this, if cuboid become a cube, in what case their length, breadth, and height, they may be the different. Length, breadth, and height may be different. So if you want to convert this cuboidal shape in a cube, if you want to convert in a cube, length, breadth, and height should be equal. All should be equal. Length, breadth, height should be equal. This is the shape of a cuboid. Vertex, faces, edges are same as in case of cuboid, but difference is that length, breadth, and height all are same in case of cuboid. Cube. This is a cubical shape. This is cube in which length is equal to breadth is equal to height. Are you getting this point? This is the basic concept that we have today. We have start from your visualizing the solid shape, chapter number 15, and in the next period, in next lectures, हम इसको आगे proceed करेंगे. कुछ solid shape की मैं आपको जानकारी दे रहा हूँ. So you have to observe this solid shape. This first important is cuboid, then cube. Similar between the cuboid and cube is that number of faces, vertex, and edges are equal, but length, breadth, and height, and all the dimensions in case of cube are equal. Next solid shape that we'll discuss will be the cylinder. Cylinder, as you know that this is a cylindrical shape. In this cylindrical shape, as you know that this is a curved surface, curved line, a curved surface. That is called, this face is called curved face. We will take an example with the help of this paper. If this is your rectangular paper, and if you observe, you are observing this paper, rectangular paper. If you fold along its breadth, along its length, you will get your cylindrical face. So this round shape is called, what you call it, curved face. This is called curved face. And this edges is called curved edges in case of cylinder. This is called curved edges. Cylinder. This is your figure of cylinder. And as you know, then this, if this cylinder is put here, this downward face, what we will call it, plane face. Complete face is called. Edges को तो आप ये बोलेंगे, this is called curved edge. Yeah, in this area, this is called curved edge. If we talk about this face, this is called your plane face. This face is called plane face. I hope you are getting this. Now another phase, another cylinder, another figure after the cylinder is cone. Cone is also an important figure. And you are observing there, if we bisect this in this way, we will get cone. Means conical shape, conical solid shape are this type. This type of shape is called conical shape. This may be this, or this may be in the downward direction. Okay. So vertex in case of cone, this is called vertex. Yeah, vertices. This is called vertex, and curved face. This is called curved face. And this is your, this complete is called plane face, and curved edges. These lines are called curved edges. So this is the figure of your cone. All these figures are derived from the prism. Now we will discuss the prism. So